Good morning, children. This is Raj Gajendra Pillai from Kana Kingdom. Today we are going to learn about English. Chapter 1, that's for class 4. Topic: the house with the golden windows. English. Chapter 1st, class 4. The topic would be the house with the golden windows. Take out your notebooks and pencil. Write down all the necessary and important things. Write down the vocabularies, write down the meanings of it. Understand the entire theme, the entire story of the house with the golden windows. Give you 5 seconds. Take out your notebook, pencil. What all we are going to learn? It is the table of contents. The table of contents means whatever we are going to learn in this session. That is hard words, the new words and their meanings. We will be reading the story. I will be reading the story about the boy who set off to look for golden windows and understanding the entire chapter of the text. What we are going to do? We will be learning hard words, new words, meaning of it. Reading the story about the boy who set off to look for what? Who set off to look for the golden windows and understanding the chapter and exercise to do in the last. Right? Give me 5 seconds. Now, words meaning. Stroll. Stroll is a new word. S-T-R-O-L-L. Stroll. What is the meaning of stroll? Stroll means walk in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. Whenever we go to some place and there is time for the cooking of food, you have done your breakfast and it's a time where you get it. At that time, what you do? You sit, you stand up, you go here and there. If you feel, what do? You just go on strolling. Strolling means just looking onto the gardens, just looking onto the nearby place. How do you go? You do not run. While going to school, if you are late, you run. While going to home, you feel hungry, you run. But when you have nothing to do, when you already had your breakfast or your dinner or lunch, then if you are getting some time where you don't know what you have to do, at that time people usually stroll around. They walk in a slow and relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. Just looking on, just observing flowers, just observing the sky, observing the buildings around, the surroundings, whatever. It's stroll. Stroll means to walk in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. Blink. What is blink? Blink means close and open the eyes quickly. Close. Close means close. Open means open. Close, open. Blink. It's called a blink. When you close your eyes and open it, it's called as a blink. Shutters. What are the shutters? Wooden covers on the outside of the window. Shutters are specially to cover the movement of inside outside. Shutters means the doors. Shutters means the thing which is used to lock the thing, to keep the things safer. Shutters. Shutters are the gates. Shutter are the wooden things, the wooden covers from outside. We put the wooden cover from outside of the window or the main doors. They are called as shutters. The rolling shutters are called as shutters, in which in the shop when you pull it, it's also called as shutters. But these shutters are wooden covers on outside of the window. They put a wooden cover, like you slide it. Either it's too big, you slide it and just close it. We put a lock in the center where we have that latch. We have that latch, we put it. Shutters are used for safety. Supper. What is supper? Supper means a main meal eaten in the evening. Usually many people call this as a dinner. Supper is the main meal eaten in the evening. What is it? It is the main meal. Supper means the main meal. Delighted. Delighted means very much pleased. What is the meaning of pleased? Pleased means when you are very happy, you are pleased when you get the things what you have asked for. When you think that you should have this bag and you have got that bag, you are pleased, you are happy. When you are more than happy, it is called as a delight. Delighted, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-H-E-D, delighted means you are very much pleased, you are more happier and more happier. Means you are so much happy, that word is called as a delighted. Trudging. Trudging means what? Trudging means walking slowly with a lot of effort. Trudging means if you cannot walk, you are having some problem, or maybe you cannot walk due to some reasons, you are just putting lots of efforts in walking, but slow. Walking slowly with lots of efforts means you are climbing a hill, or while walking straight, when you have to put lots of efforts in walking, it's called as a trudging. Right? Trudging means what? T-R-U-D-G-I-N-G, trudging, trudging. Walking slowly with a lot of effort. Blazing, B-L-A-Z-I-N-G, blazing. What is blazing? Blazing means very bright and hot. Blazing, very bright and hot. Blaze. What is blaze? Blaze means you can see when you lit a matchbox, you can see the blazes coming from the matchstick. Blaze, very bright and hot. Realized. What is realized? Realized means understood sometimes suddenly. Realized means understood sometimes suddenly. Means somebody is telling you some story and suddenly you realize, suddenly, oh, this is the, oh, yes. When you understand, suddenly, means somebody is telling you a story and something is clicked to your mind where you have understood something suddenly. That's called as a realized. Glitter. Shine with lot of small bright flashes of light. Glitter. Glitter means shine. Glittering. Glittering lights means when you can see the reflector lights. Most of you can see in the car or on the roads, on the national highways, when you go, if you put light, it shines bright and it flashes out the light. They are called as the reflector lights. When we put light on it, it reflects. The light which comes is called as glitter. Shine with lot of small bright flashes of light. Glittering. Even anything which shines has a glitter in it. Right? It throws some small bright flashes of light. It always throws. You can see, you can feel the lights coming out from the object, from the thing which you can see. Glitter. Right? Please write this down. It's very necessary. Understand it. Write the spellings. Read the spellings as well. Now, with the golden windows. Now, we will be going through the chapter. Right? Long, long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. Long, long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. What is farm? Farm is a place where we grow crops, where we grow grains. It's long, long ago. What do you understand by this? Long, long ago in a village in Scotland, a place, its name is Scotland. A little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. Right? Every day after school and during the weekends. Every day during the school, during the weekends. What are the weekends? Weekends are Saturday, Sundays. They are called as weekends. Stevie helped his father in field. What is field? Field means the work which they do in the farm is called as a field work. What is farm? Farm is a place where we grow crops, where we grow vegetables, where we grow the grains, the pulses, everything we grow from the farm. The place where they work in the farm is called as in field work. Stevie helped his father in field and took care of farm animals. What are the farm animals? In the farm we have bullocks which pull on the plows, right? There are hen, cock, duck, these dogs, everything is farm animals. They keep it in farm. But at the end of each day, when the work was done and the sun began to go down, there came an hour which was all his own. Now in this paragraph, what do you come to know? In this we come to know that there is a boy named Stevie, long, long ago in a village of Scotland, used to live on a farm. Where he lived on a farm. Every day after school and during weekends. What he used to do? He used to help his father in the farming work in the field. And what did he do? He did one more thing. He took care of the farm animals. At the end of each day, means whenever the day was ending, after the school he used to come, he used to help his father in the field work, and he used to take care of the farm animals, and in the end of the evening he used to get some time. When the work was done, he used to get some time. There came an hour which was all his own. He came from school, worked on the field, he took care of the farm animals. Then there was a certain time, 1 hour, which was all his own. He had nothing to do. Work is done, he helped his father, gone to school. Then when the time came, Stevie would often stroll. When the time came, means whenever this time comes, where he is free, what did Stevie do? Stevie would often stroll. What is the meaning of stroll? Just now we have seen. Stroll means a relaxed walk. When you have nothing to do, people go on observing things here and there. Stevie used to get free time. At that time, Stevie would often stroll onto the top of the hill near his house. He used to go on the top of the hill while strolling. He used to stroll around. He used to stroll on the top of the hill near his house and look across at another hill. From one hill, there is a hill where he used to climb. Near his house, there was a hill he used to climb and look across. Look across means he used to look on the other hills, nearby hills, long, long away. Something near, something very far. He used to stand, he used to get on the top of the hill and look across on another hills, long way away. There on this far off hill stood a house with windows. From there he saw far off, means somewhere far near the hill, he saw there stood a house, means he saw a single house with windows shining like gold. What did he see? Whenever he used to get time, he used to stroll around. While strolling, he strolled to the top of the hill near his house. He looked across at the another hill, long way away. There on this far hill off, there stood a house with windows shining like gold. He saw a house which was shining like a gold. The windows were shining as gold. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching this house. Daily he used to do the same thing. He used to climb the hill and he used to observe on other hills far away, and he saw there stood a house with windows shining like gold. As the sun set down, he would sit on the hill watching this house. What is to watch? Is to watch that house had the golden windows. The windows used to shine like gold. What he used to do? He used to sit and watch. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill and watch the house. Right? What do you understand by all this? Stevie lived in a village in Scotland. He lived in a farm. Every day after school, he used to help his father in the field work in his farm. He used to take care of the farm animals. At the end of each day, as the work was done and the sun began to go down, he used to get time. There came an hour which was all his own. Means he had nothing to do, all his work were done. At this time, what he used to do? When the time came of the evening where the sun was going down, Stevie would often stroll to the top of the hill near his house, and from there he used to look on the hills long way away, and he used to see in the far off hill there stood a house. There was a house which he used to daily see with windows shining like gold. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching the house. Right? Now let's go ahead and look what next. Till now the concept is clear where what the boy Stevie used to do. Right? I'll give you 5 seconds. The house with the golden windows continues. The windows shone so brightly that they made Stevie blink when he looked at them. Means the windows shone. Shine, shone. It's the tense. Shine, shone. It's the past tense. The windows shone so brightly that they made Stevie blink. Blink. What is the meaning of blink? Just now I had made you understand about blink. Opening and closing of the eyes is called as in blink. When he looked at them, when he saw that it brightly shone, Stevie blinked when he looked at them. After a while, someone who would close the shutters. What are shutters? Shutters are what? Shutters are the things to cover windows and the main door. Right? Someone would close the shutter and he knew it was time to go to home for supper. Supper. What is supper? Supper is the main meal of the evening. Right? Breakfast, lunch and supper. Usually we call it as dinner. Right? That's the main thing. The main word for that is supper. Usually from ages, it is called as a supper. The main meal, it's a course-wise meal. Supper means a course-wise meal and is the final meal of the evening. One Saturday, Stevie's father told him, "You have earned a holiday." What is earning? Earning means getting something paid instead of your good work or your skilled work. What is earning? These are the earnings. When we say these are the earnings, means if I am working hard somewhere and I am getting, instead of money, I am getting a holiday. Instead of that, I am getting a day off. Instead of that, it is what? It is earned. Earned. What are the earnings? Means if you do some deeds and in return you get paid either with the money or with some nice food or with some clothes or with a holiday or what? Or with a day off. Day off means you're getting a leave and not have to do something on the other day. You are earning a day off. Day off means weekly off, as in the school you get Sundays, where in the place where you work you get one holiday, but that's not called as in Sunday or something, but it's called as in day off. Day off means you will be getting paid, but you don't have to work on that particular day. Right? One Saturday, Stevie's father told him, "You have earned a holiday. Take a day off." Means after school you have free time of yours. You don't have to come to the farm to help me or for the farm animals. He asked him to go and learn something good. What is that learn something good? Means go somewhere and learn something good. Stevie was delighted. What was delighted? He was more than pleased. He was very, very much happy. Because his father told him that you have earned a holiday and take a day off, try to learn something good. Means you don't have to come to the farm tomorrow after school. You are free. You can do anything you want. Learn something good. Stevie was what? Stevie was very much delighted. He was more happy. He was very much pleased. He thanked his father. For what he thanked? He thanked his father for giving him a day off. And then started off for the house with golden windows. What did he do? He said thank you because he has earned a holiday. Now what he has to do? The total time is free. Then what did he do? He started off for the house. He started off, means he started walking on the hill to find out the house of the golden windows. Right? Understood? Stevie stays in Scotland, lives in the farm. He goes to the school. After school, he works in the field, he works in the farm with his father, takes care of the farm animals, and in the evening he gets free, where he gets an hour. He goes on the top of the hill, he strolls around, he looks here and there to other hill which is far away. He used to notice a house which used to shine like gold, right? He used to see the windows which was of gold, and after a certain point of time he used to sit down when the sun sets. It was shining so brightly that his eyes blinked always, and somebody in the evening used to close the shutters of the window, and then he came to know that this is the time to go home for supper. So one Saturday what he did? One Saturday when he went, his father said, "You have earned a holiday, take a day off, no working today." So he was very much delighted, he was thankful for his father, and then what he did? He started off for the house with golden windows. Right? Learn the spelling of delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Something. S-O-M-T-H-I-N-G. Something. Shutters. S-H-U-T-T-E-R-S. Shutters. Brightly. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Brightly. Please learn these spellings. Write this down. Give you 5 seconds. The house with the golden windows continues. Where did he start for? He started for looking at the golden windows to find out. After trudging means after lots of efforts, walking slowly. He put so much of efforts, he was tired. After trudging for a long time, means putting lots of efforts in walking, Stevie came to a big hill. At the top was the house he has been searching for. From there he located that this is the hill and there is the house here. Stevie came to a big hill. At the top was the house he has been searching for. From the other hill is to see the house with the golden windows. Now he started walking with lots of efforts. Trudging means walking slowly with lots of efforts. For a long time, Stevie came to a big hill. At the top was the house he was been searching for. Means he has located from the hill that this is the place where there are golden windows. He put lots of efforts, walking for a long time. Stevie hurried to it. Hurried means he walked fast to it to find out. But to his disappointment, it did not have golden windows. As soon as he reached the particular house, he used to see from the hill which had golden windows. When he reached there, he found out that there were no golden windows. They were made of clear glass like any normal ones. From that hill, he used to see it was golden windows. But when he started walking, and when he went close, he was very much disappointed that it did not have golden windows. They were made of clear glass like any normal ones. A woman came to the door. To Stevie's surprise, it was Mrs. Campbell, a friend of his mother's. A woman came to the door. To Stevie's surprise, means Stevie was surprised to see it was Mrs. Campbell, a friend of his mother's. His mother's friend was there in the next door. Stevie was surprised. It was Mrs. Campbell. "Hello, Stevie," she exclaimed. She said, "Hello, Stevie. How nice to see you here." She said, "How nice to see you here," means you are here. So nice. "Did your mother send you for something?" She asked. "Did your mother send you for something? How come you are here? Nice to see you. But did your mother send you for something?" She asked Stevie very kindly. Right? She asked. Usually when we go to somebody's place, they usually ask, "How are you? Nice to see you. Did your mother send you for something? Or do you want something?" These are the questions which are being asked by the elders when we go. When we were small, we used to ask always. So, as in practice, Mrs. Campbell, a friend of his mother's, asked, "Hello, Stevie, how nice to see you. Did your mother send you something?" She asked Stevie very kindly. Right? Now, please write down the spellings. Trudging, T-R-U-D-G-I-N-G. Hurried, H-U-R-R-I-E-D, hurried. Disappointment, D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T, D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T, disappointment. Campbell, Mrs. Campbell, M-R-S dot C-A-M-P-B-E-L-L, Campbell, it's Campbell. Right? Surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. Surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Exclaimed. E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D. Exclaimed. E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D. Exclaimed. Please write this down. Give you 5 seconds as to the chapters to continue. Write it down. The house with the golden windows continues. He reached to the house. Which house? To the house which had golden windows. But for his disappointment, he saw that it was the normal glass window as everybody has. He was very much disappointed. Suddenly, for his surprise, he saw Mrs. Campbell came and asked. She said hello. She asked whether his mother had sent him. She said, nice to see you. He said, hello Mrs. Campbell, I came for something else. He answered. When he was being asked that, did your mother send you for something? He answered, hello Mrs. Campbell, I came for something else. At the end of every day, he said, at the end of every day, I see your golden windows from the top of hill near our farm. He said, Mrs. Campbell, I came for something else. Means he started explaining why he is there. At the end of every day, means at the end of every day, means at the evening, I see your golden windows from the top of the hill. He said that I used to see your golden windows from the top of the hill near our farm. Stevie explained. And now I have come here to see them. He had earned a holiday. He started walking. He puts lots of efforts. Now he is telling Mrs. Campbell that I used to see every day, at the end of the day, I used to see golden windows from the top of the hill near our farm. Now I have come here to see them, but I find that there are only glass, but it's not the golden ones. Mrs. Campbell moved her head from side to side and laughed. Said, we are poor farming people. Putting head side to side and laugh means, when he was telling that, she felt like laughing. She put her head on one side and started laughing, because we cannot laugh in front of somebody. So she put her head from side to side and laughed. She said, we are poor farming people. She said, and I don't think there will ever be any gold on our windows. I don't think there will ever be any gold in our windows. Means we are poor people, and I don't think there will ever be any gold on our windows. Anyway, glass is better than gold to see through. She said, we are poor farming people. I don't think that there will be any gold on our windows. Anyways, glass is better than gold to see through. We put glass to see through that what is happening out. We put gold or something, windows are useless. We cannot see through. We put some gold or silver or something, you cannot see through. Glasses are good to view from inside. We can look out what is happening, how is the temperature out. We open the door we get ventilation. We close the doors, and through the glass we can see who is moving, who is passing away, who is passing through the road. And from out they can make out that there is somebody inside. Right? So the main reason for the glass windows are ventilation and for the viewing that what is happening out. Right? So now write the spellings of this. Laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. Farming, F-A-R-M-I-N-G, farming. Farming, farming. Right? Please write this down. Please write it down. The house with the golden windows continues. What did Miss Campbell tell? The Mrs. Campbell told that we are poor farming people. We don't have any gold in our glass windows, and the glass is better for viewing outside instead of gold. We can see through the glass. So we are poor farming people, so there is no gold in our windows. She asked Stevie to sit down and rest. She bought him a cup of milk and some cake. She said, Stevie, sit down and rest for some time. She bought him a cup of milk and some cake. She then called her little daughter. What she did, she gave him a cup of milk and cake. She asked him to sit down and rest. She then called her little daughter, Paula, P-A-U-L-A, Paula, a child of his own age, to sit with him. She said, sit with him, talk. She called her little girl, her daughter, Paula, a child of his own age, to sit with him. Mrs. Campbell went back to work, leaving the two children together and talk and play. Together and talk and play. Stevie and Paula wandered around our family's farm. Stevie and Paula wandered. Wandered means they roamed around the family's farm. Paula showed him her black cat. Who was Paula? Paula was daughter of Mrs. Campbell. Why was she there? Because her mother told that sit with him for the time, you will take rest, and gave Stevie a cup of milk and some cake. Right? Mrs. Campbell went back to work. Stevie and Paula wandered around the family's farm. Paula showed her the black cat, Princess, that had white star on its forehead. Black cat Princess, a cat's name was Princess, that had white star on its head. They crept up to the roof to see her cat and her kittens. Soon they became friends. They climbed on the roof to see the cat and her kittens. Soon they become friends, and Stevie asked her about the golden windows. He asked that whether she knows something about golden window. Paula said that she knew all about them. What did the Paula say? She has become a friend now. Now she said that she knew all about them, about the golden windows and the secrets of it. Right? Now, learn the spelling. Write the spelling. Princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, Princess. Paula, P-A-U-L-A. Wandered, W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D, wandered. Write this down. Kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S. What are kittens? Kittens are the babies of the small pussy cats of the cat family. There was a cat family, right? Princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, Princess. Right? The kittens were of which family? Princess family. Right? The cat and kittens. Please write it down. Princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. House with the golden windows continues. Paula said she has idea about the golden windows. She said, you have taken the wrong way. She said, Stevie, that you have taken the wrong way. She laughed. Come with me to the top of hill behind our house. She said, come with me to the top of the hill behind our house, and I will show you the house you are looking for. Stevie was in search of what? Stevie was in search of golden windows. The house which has the golden windows. Then he met Mrs. Campbell. Mrs. Campbell said that in our windows we are farming people, we don't have any gold. She said, Paula, be with Stevie. She gave him what? She gave him a cup of milk and a piece of cake. What did Paula do? Paula started wandering with him. She said that she has idea about the golden windows. She took him to the rooftop and they saw the kittens and the cat family of princes. Then she said she has idea about what he is looking for and told him that you have taken the wrong way. She laughed. She said, come with me to the top of the hill behind our house. I will show you the house you are looking for. Come with me at the top of the hill. I will show you for the house which you are looking for. As they walked, she told him that the golden windows could only be seen as the sun goes down. She told him that golden windows could only be seen at the sun when the sun goes down. Yes, I know that, said Stevie. Yes, I know that. They waited, and just as the sun was starting to go down, Paula turned and pointed. There it is, she said. And one day, just like you, I am going to go and look for that house. She said. Paula turned to him and pointed. There it is, as the sun started going down. She said, and one day, just like you, I am going to go and look for that house. See, that's the house she pointed. She said, as the sun started going down, there it is. She said, there it is. She said, one day, just like you, I am going to look for that house which is shining. The windows which are shining like gold. Even I will go one day, right? Just like you, right? Please write down this. Please write down the spelling. Yes. Now, what do you understand about all these things? That you have taken the wrong way. She told that she had taken the wrong way. They became friends. What did they do? She said that come to the hill. Let's go. From there, I will show you the house which you are looking for. She told him that golden windows could only be seen at the time when the sun goes down. He said yes. They waited. The sun started going down. Paula turned and pointed, there it is. And she said that one day, just like you, I am going to go to look for the house. Now, learn the spellings. Laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. Right? Waited, W-A-I-T-E-D, waited. Now, memorize the spellings. Right? Give you 5 seconds. Pointed, P-O-I-N-T-E-D, pointed. The house with the golden windows. There on the hill, far away, stood house with windows of gold looking at it. Stevie saw that house was his own. Why? Its windows were blazing like golden flames. There on a hill far away. When she said, Paula said that there it is. There on the hill far away stood house with windows of gold looking at it. Stevie said that the house was his own. Why? Its windows were blazing like golden flames. Suddenly Stevie realized what had happened. The golden rays of setting sun. Suddenly means all of a sudden he realized. It came to his mind what had happened. The sun rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills, made the glass windows of both the house glitter like gold. What happened? There on a hill, far away, stood a house with the windows of gold. Looking at it, Stevie saw that the house was his own. Why its windows were blazing like golden flames. Blazing. What is blazing? Blaze. Blaze means you can see when there is fire, you can see the blaze. Right? Blazing golden flames. Flames. Flames means when you light a match, the thing comes out. The burning things which comes out as flames. Suddenly Stevie realized that what had happened. The golden rays of the setting sun, the sun which is setting, in the evening it sets and in the morning it rises. The setting sun, the golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. When the sun was setting down, its rays fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. Right? Glitter like gold. Yes. From this story, what you come to know? From the story you come to know that Stevie was a boy who lived in Scotland in a farmhouse with his parents. He used to go to school, and after the school hours he used to come and help his father for the field work in the farm and take care of the farm animals also. And in the evening at a certain point of time he used to get some time for his own. He used to stroll around, he used to climb the hill. And from there he used to look far away the hills which are there, and he used to explore, he used to look on all the places. Right? And daily while the sunset he used to see the golden windows. During the sunset he used to see the golden windows which used to glitter. Then somebody used to put the shutter down. He came at that time, he always came to note that it is the time to go home for the main meal, that is supper. One Saturday his father said, you have earned a holiday, you have earned a day off today, you can take rest or you can learn something good. So what he did was he set off to check the place of the golden windows, to find out where were the windows, where is the house with the golden windows. He started trudging. With lots of efforts he reached to the place where he saw the golden windows. He located the place. He was very much disappointed looking at the windows. It were normal glass windows and not the golden windows for which he was looking and struggling for. Then for his astonishment, he got surprised to see Mrs. Campbell, his mother's friend, came out and asked, nice to see you. Have your mother sent you for something? He said, no, I have come for looking at the house with the golden windows. Daily I used to see from there, it used to shine like gold. Now I have come here. Now I can see that it is normal windows. His mother said, we are poor farming people. We cannot afford to put gold on the windows. And the glass is the better thing to look through and not the gold. She said, sit down, take rest. She gave a cup of milk. What did she do? She gave him a cup of milk and a piece of cake. She called her daughter, Paula, a little girl, and she set off for work. She was back to her work. Paula showed her the princess, the cat, and she took him to the rooftop to show the kittens of princess. Then they became friends. And Stevie asked her about the golden windows. She said, yes, I know about golden windows. But she said, you have taken it wrong. Now, you can see the windows at the time of the sunset. Stevie said, I know. And while the sun was setting, she took him to the top of the hill and she said, wait for some time. And after some time when the windows, after some time when the sun was setting, she showed that there it is. From there he saw that there was a house. There was a house. Looking at the house which had the golden windows, the windows were shining like gold. Stevie said, this is my own house. Why the windows were blazing like golden flames? Then suddenly he realized that what had happened. The golden rays of setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses to glitter like gold. Right? The finding is what did he find out? He found out that the golden rays were of the sun which was setting down. The windows were normal. It was a plain glass windows. But when the rays fell on both the hills, that made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. This is the theme of story. This is the entire story which I narrated once again. Now, go through the text, try to understand. I have made you understand about the spellings and everything. Now, you have to go through it, right? Exercise are following. Exercise will be sent along with this, or maybe next will be the exercise of the same chapter where you have to complete it. I have only written the questions. I have given some boxes in which the answers are there. You need to write it. Leaving that, you have to study this and make your own answers and write it. Right? Happy learning. Thanks.